LinkedIn, a network of business professionals where every business professional would be having his own individual LinkedIn profile, and big companies would create their company profiles. So let me share with you how LinkedIn works and how you can make the best out of LinkedIn. Creating a LinkedIn page is a simple self-explanatory process. As soon as you would be logging into LinkedIn by creating an account, and if you have uploaded your pictures, you would be able to see that on the left side of the page you would be able to see the picture that you have uploaded, your name, and a window with recent hashtags into it. These are all hashtags which are trending in your region right now. On the right side you would be finding about today's news and views, and in the center portion at the top there would be a window from where you can make your post or write an article on LinkedIn, which we would be discussing in future videos. Along with it, it would be the feed of your LinkedIn. Different people that you are connected with LinkedIn, what they are talking about. So the very first thing after creating the account on LinkedIn, or after logging into LinkedIn for the very first time, you need to take care of is, see, I'm going into my profile. I have clicked on the left side over my name, and I have simply been taken to my profile page. In this page, I'm able to see my name, my headline, and other different details. So very first thing I need to take care of is the photo over here, which photo I am using. If I'll click on this pencil button over here, this is the edit button. I would be entering into my profile editor where I can edit the intro. See, this is my picture on LinkedIn, and you need to take care of 2 to 3 things while uploading your image on LinkedIn. Please make sure that you are using a high quality image over LinkedIn, because it has been seen that accounts with a good image over LinkedIn would be getting 25% more views as compared to other accounts. See, understand one thing, pictures of family, kids, pets are good, but they are not meant for LinkedIn. Images which are used on LinkedIn should be such which showcase your professionalism. Now come to this background image of your LinkedIn page. This background image, if you are not having any image which represents the kind of person you are professionally, I would suggest always resort to something which is natural. So I have simply gone for this image of nature. So this is the best bet. If you don't have something with you which you can put over your account which shows your professionalism, and in order to create this background image, I have simply gone to Canva. So you can make use of canva.com for creating such backgrounds. Now I have given my first name and last name, and after that one of the important things is to define the headline. See, headline is something when somebody would be visiting your profile, your photo would be there, your name would be there, and beneath your name, just under it, you would be finding there would be your headline. So what kind of headline you should use? See, headline should be one which represents your brand. Headline should carry your industry keywords. It should define your role over there and the unique skills that you carry. Your headline should comprise of all these 3 things. See, I am an educator and I teach in the area of digital marketing. So I've just taken my headline as educating talent to nurture digital professionals of tomorrow, trying to cater to all these 3 things of the industry keywords, my role, and my unique skills. If you are not defining your headline, then by default, whatsoever would be your current position would also be copied by LinkedIn over here. Headline is never blank. After that, it is the education, then region, country, and all other details. These are very simple, and you can just define it properly. Once you have completely written your full name and the headline, and you have defined your current position also at the company where you are working, the next stage is to properly describe you in the about section. So you can simply just go to this about and click on that pencil button, and this edit of about would open. Now, about is the profile summary. This is the profile summary. So, profiles in the profile summary, first of all, it is you who is being represented on LinkedIn. So, it would should be in the first person tense. It is I am, I do this, I am known for this. You need to answer basically four questions in your summary. First question being who you are, second being what you do, or the third thing that you should try to answer is why your work matters in the industry, and the fourth one being what are your contributions till date. Keep in mind these the answer of these four questions while writing your summary. So in this first tutorial on LinkedIn, you need to create a profile on LinkedIn, or if you already have a profile on LinkedIn, go to your profile and check for this. Is your headline the right one, or have you given the summary in the right manner? Thank you so much. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up.